Shout out to my boy Pencil from PNR Custom in Conyers, Georgia. So if you're in the Atlanta area, you could hit him up. His number 678-832-3995. Pencil from PNR Custom. He do all the work for me. He make my truck look pretty. Appreciate it, bro. Hey YouTube, Trucker G5 is back with another video. Sucks with making video. I didn't make a video since my truck got hit, but yeah, I did got it fixed, but never make a video. I had to change a fender, change the headlight, the grill housing, the bumper, and I also paint the other fender, take off the other fender and paint it too so it could match up. I'm gonna open up the hood and show y'all a little what we did inside the hood. Yeah, so we went ahead and changed the fender lining, the fender. You can see the fresh brand new fender. And we had to change the fender housing on the inner part. I had to take all these rivets off and re-rivet everything back together. I had to change the grill housing, brand new grill housing in there. A lot of new rivets everywhere. And then I had to just take that fender off on the passenger side also, so I could have painted so they could have matched so it won't look different. And I had to change this piece on the inside. Let me go around and I can show you. Piece I had to change because it had like a little belly in it. That blue piece right there, fresh blue piece. I had to change that piece because it was bent and it made a belly in the side of the truck. So because of that, I had to change it. I had to change a lot of stuff. Those pieces down there, I had to change all of those out also. So yeah, it was a lot of work. Cost me about $8,000. I had to just do it because I didn't want my insurance to go up. So I just took the hell and did it myself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.